anymore to hit the streets without a cord. Now the city's my song where I submerge myself, taking a long walk around the block. Every little step, every single step becomes a note that I draw on the staff lines of the sidewalk. I'm walking alone again with my headphones on, and I really wanna run, but at this moment I'm listening to a very soft song. Walking again alone with my headphones on, and now I speak and I am screaming because I can't hear my own voice. I'm walking alone again with my headphones on. I have to walk between smog, behind sunglasses, inside my clothes. Sometimes I feel that every simple thing has a sound, and if it does, what kind of shape does the silence have?